Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a power plan in Windows 10. Sometimes some power plans are not created and you can see them on the system, so I recommend you to make this one action. We need to go to the left down corner and click right mouse button on icon of a start. Then we need to go to run and here we need to type control. After that I press OK button and I go to system and security settings. Now I go to power options and from the left panel I will select create a power plan. Now we can select one from 3 available plans. I didn't create a high performance plan yet, so I will select this one option now. And you can type here a new plan name. For example, I type here new high performance plan and I click next. I will change these settings to never, so everywhere I select never on battery and on plug it in, and then I click create. And how you see, new high performance plan has been successfully created here and it is set to default. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.